Hi, I'm Kaitlyn with Milton Sunrooms here in Milton, Georgia. When we're helping homeowners plan their sunroom, many want to know whether we offer eco-friendly or budget-friendly options, and the answer is absolutely. You can choose from energy-efficient glass, sustainable building materials, and cost-saving modular designs that help you stay within your budget without sacrificing quality. These options are great for reducing energy use, lowering long-term costs, and creating a space that's both comfortable and efficient. If you're interested in going green or keeping your project as cost-effective as possible, just ask about our eco-friendly and budget-friendly choices when you schedule your quote. If you'd like to talk about your project or get started, here's how to reach us: 470-805-3446 or our website at miltonsunrooms.com.